Hi, I am Kista. I'm an expert bridge player and coach. I run a program called Bridge with Kista for intermediate players to practice and improve their game with my analysis. You can join my program anytime. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, this is board 1. Essentially, essentially this is a misfit hand. And misfit hand, but North hand is an opening hand by any standard. And you must have a means of expressing the south hand as a limited hand, although it's distributional. Okay. Here, I don't recommend an overcall by ace because holding so many yards and only a 5-card club, I don't recommend an overcall. Though I saw some tables, they were betting 2 club on this and they were lucky to find club fit. In fact, they were making the bidding of north-south easier by bidding 2 club, really speaking. So without this intervention, the normal bidding should be 1 heart pass 1 straight by south and pass 2 hearts. Now, south has a problem of what to do because south is not very happy about forcing to game, but neither is south happy about passing 2 hearts because the prospects of game are still in. So many expert pairs, what they do is play a bid of 2-no trump here as a forcing bid and a bid of a 3 club or 3 diamond as an highly invitational bid. So that would have worked here at south bid 3 diamond saying it's highly invitational but not forcing to game. North would have been able to pass and 3 diamond would have fetched a good score. On the contrary, some partnerships are playing a hand like the north hand to open with 2 hearts instead of 1 heart. Okay, which shows 10 to 13 points and a 6-card RR. Again, if that is done, North-South can know the limited potential in the hand and South can pass 2 hearts. Okay, and 2 hearts should make. Yeah, is everyone clear on this? You can either raise your hand or unmute yourself to speak.
Krishna, we play on our table, north passed and south bid 1 spade.
1 club.
Sorry, 1 club.
No, 1 club, 1 spade.
1 club, 1 spade, and it went.
Who is speaking, please?
Yeah, I'm Vijay here.
Okay.
On our table, north passed. So
why did not pass? That's a good hand, no?
I don't know, but we were east and west, so north passed. I don't know.
Okay.
And then south started the bidding with 1 spade.
But why didn't East open then?
The East has opened 1.
Oh, sorry, East opened 1 club, correct.
Okay.
East opened 1 club.
Opened 1.
Yeah, and then South has bid 1 spade.
Okay.
Over which North has shown 2 heart.
Okay.
And then the contract, I don't know, finished at 3 heart, and then they made 3 heart plus 1.
3 heart should have got defeated because you have 2 hearts.
No, sorry, 3 heart minus 1. 3 heart minus 1 they made.
Because you have 2 hearts and 2 clubs and a diamond trick at the top. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Essentially, by not passing and then trying to bid twice later, okay, that was trying to catch up actually. See, trying to catch up in this bidding on this kind of hand is usually not successful. Okay, it's better to get into the bidding and have a partnership understanding that you can get out light and responder should be restrained in bidding.
Got it.
Okay.
Kista, you said you should not overcall 2 club or 1 heart because of the 4-card heart holding.
Because of the 4-card heart and only 5-card club.
Okay.
Okay, so you may find a club fit on this, but you're not achieving anything much.
Because you have a singleton also. Okay.
Yes, you have a singleton, fine, okay. But they can, if it is a possible misfit when you have 4 hearts. Okay.
Right, I understand.
Okay.
I have a question. If opponent intervened 2 clubs, you said it thinks things are easier. What will be the bidding over there?
Well, opponents intervene 2 club, you bid 2 diamond, and partner bids 2 hearts, you bid 2 spade. And partner with
Is-
3 diamond, you know that the partner does not have a stopper in clubs.
Okay.
Okay.
So you are suggesting to bid 2 over 1 with 11 points?
Yeah, it is okay. You have a good, Rand has a
Diamond
lot of
suit.
playing strength. Because you're not going, by doubling, you're not going to be able to bring in both the suits later. You know, not at least not at the 3 level. So you'll have to go to 4 level to bring it out.
Right. Thanks.
These are awkward hands. Okay, that's the reason why I have it here, for you to be able to have a partnership understanding.
So you suggest we don't double.
I suggest it is too wild hand for you to double.
Okay.
Because as it is, when you double, this hand will bid 3 club, and again you're going to be lost. Partner may think that, you know, free bidding odds, and you know, you won't know where you're going.
The partner rebid hearts and I went to 3 spades and partner passed and luckily we made 3 spades plus 1.
But 3 spade passing may not be right, no, when you introduce at the 3 level.
Okay.
Okay. So let me go to the next board. Okay, someone is talking there. I think. Okay, on board 2, east is the dealer, and it should go all the way to north, and north opens 2 no trump. And over 2 no trump, south should go to 3 no trump, either directly or what is most popularly played nowadays, a bid of 3 spade is a transfer to 3 no trump. And it's a multi-purpose bid. So 3 spade denies a major suit. And when partner bids 3 no trump, you have another chance to bid to show some minor suit holding. Okay. On this hand, south is content to play in 3 no trump. And then 3 no trump, the opening lead will be a small diamond, playing 4th best the 4 of diamonds. And I saw in many tables, the declarer missed the play of the jack of diamond, because jack of diamond is an on the house play. If you miss the jack of diamond play, you can no longer make this hand. So it's playing a trick one is very important, and you need to, you know, really plan your play and then play. Because jack of diamond costs you nothing. So all you have to do is play the jack of diamond, and you're there. But not that your problems are over. So immediately, if you take a spade finesse with the diamond king protected by playing a spade to the 10, it's going to be very hard for East to duck this. East is not going to duck this. Most of the time, you're going to win the queen of spade. And you do have an entry in the form of jack of spade to cash all your clubs. Okay, there is no way that East will know that you have a problem blockage in clubs and you are playing a spade this way. Okay. So that's the most practical play to make. How many made 3 no trump on this? Yeah, I think many.
I made.
Who's that, please?
Krishnamurthy.
You made on what play?
That diamond lead, diamond jack, that to spade finesse take.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So because the defense will not know to duck the queen of spade.
Yes.
Ducking the queen of spade may work, but it's very far-fetched for the defense to know. So does anybody else have questions on this?
What
About-
happens if you duck the queen of spades?
If you duck the queen of spade, just see what happens, because North has got 3 spade tricks. North has got 2 club tricks because it cannot overtake clubs. North has got only 1 diamond trick which has been scored.
Yeah.
So that makes it 3 spade tricks, 2 clubs 5, 1 diamond 6, 1 heart 7. So how does the North get to dummy? Okay, so North cannot get to dummy, but North can at best try ace king of heart and another ace king of spade and another spade, which is one with the queen. But by then East will know the problems, but North does not have club tricks and can play the 9 of heart. Okay, and wait for the diamond suit, because the diamond king is obviously with North. Okay, so that way North South cannot get to so many tricks, although there are so many points in this. Okay, 28 points between the North South hands.
So how will you know to duck the queen? How will you know?
That is a difficult thing. very difficult thing to know. Okay, that is the reason why you must play the spade early. And trick 2, if you play, okay, before East-West have exchanged any information of sort. Okay, so it makes the life very difficult for East to duck this. Because there is nothing known about the other suits. The only thing that is known is the king of diamond is declarer. Okay. So such declarer plays are difficult to defend. Okay. If you find that such plays, it will be good. Okay, let me go on to the next board.
Just on the last one,
Yes.
how about after taking Jack of Diamond, unblocking King Queen club and playing small to the Jack?
You can play, it works here, but the thing is you are giving away the show. Okay, like if the Jack of Spades were to lose the Queen, you are totally doomed. Right? By the same
But in
argument,
which case,
by the same argument,
case-
I can say you can play low to the Queen of Hearts. Right?
yes.
So is there any particular reason to play low to the Jack of Spades? I don't think so. But whereas if low to the 10 of Spades wins, and if you are getting 4 spade tricks, you are getting nearer to making 3 neutron. No?
Okay, you're looking for 3-3 spade break.
Yeah, if the spade finish is working, so or if the Queen of Spades is dropping double turn, again you got an entry in Jack of Spades.
Understood.
Okay. Yeah, now moving on to board
3.
Okay, moving on to board 3. Okay, board 3, South is the dealer. South opens 1 club or 1 diamond, depending on the system. 1 club if they are playing standard, and 1 diamond if they are playing precision. Okay, so West does not have a bid, East was being vulnerable, and North responds 1 spade. Okay, depending on what has been opened, if 1 club has been opened, East can double 1 spade as a takeout. And if 1 diamond has been opened, I think East has to keep quiet and wait for developments rather than get into the auction, which will push them to the 2 level. Okay. So if 1 spade is double, as is shown here in the auction, and South makes a redouble, which is called a support redouble, showing only 3 card raise. So this tells North partner that there is a 3 card spade support available. Okay. So if East had acted on this, West has something to say in his hand. So West comes in with 2 club. Although partner asks for try to bid the red suits, but you have good length in clubs and a good suit. So bidding 2 club is right here. And North can compete with 2 spade, knowing that there is a 3 card fit available. And on 2 spade, it comes back to West. And West should compete again in 3 club because of the good suit and the length in clubs. So 3 club should be the normal contract. And 3 club is going to make with a diamond loser, a club loser, and a spade loser. Okay. So this is the kind of optimum bidding, I would say. Okay. The above auction, what I'm saying is a reasonable one for East-West to get to the spot of 3 club.
But nobody has bidded, na 3 club.
That's the reason. Okay. So they have not bid because they thought that bidding clubs would mean something else.
Vijay here, we bid 4 clubs and made.
Okay, that's good. But how did it happen?
We started South bid 1 diamond and West, that is West overcalled with 2 clubs. And
that overcall is too light, no, for bidding 2 clubs.
too light. Okay. And East
Okay.
bid 4 club and we closed at 4 club.
Yeah, but okay. I would rather say that you bid it by accident than by intent. Because with the East hand should expect more from your hand and should try to go to 3 note trump actually. And in fact, the spade lead doesn't come. 3 note trump does have a good chance. If you really see. With 5 club tricks, 2 hard tricks, ace of spade, and 1 diamond trick. But a spade lead will defeat 3 note trump.
Okay.
And it's going to be a spade lead only with the strength in spades.
No, if not does not bid spade, it may not be a spade lead. Okay, so there's no way that South knows that partner has a spade suit. Okay, so if North has had a chance to bid spade, then it will be. Okay, so by bidding overcalling 2 club on this, you're overstating your hand, and then most likely you are going to be overboard. So you are very lucky to be got away by bidding 4 club.
Krista, here my partner
Yeah.
opened 1 diamond. Should I bid 1 spade or pass?
You should bid 1 spade. Who is asking?
Pradeep Mahota.
Okay. So you should bid 1 spade. You have 5-4 in the major. So if you find a fit, like if partner opens a weak note trump, are you going to respond or not respond? Then you are prepared to play in 2 spade, right?
Why can't I bid 2 hearts after 1 spade with sitting east?
Because your suit is a weak suit. Okay.
14 points.
Yeah, 14
Your
points.
bid should be double. Bid should be double.
You are going to get another chance for sure. Correct? Because South is not going to pass 1 spade, right?
Correct.
So,
I have a question.
yes.
You see,
Mr.
over a 1
Chakravarti.
spade.
Oh,
double
one
should-
person, please, one at a time.
Sorry.
Krista Chakravarti here. I did not open because I did not have. I had 8 losers, so I did not open this hand.
See, you should not actually look at loser count for opening the hand at one level. One level, you look at a HCP and then open the hand. Maybe for 2 level openings, you can look at the loser count.
Okay.
Okay.
See,
So loser
Okay.
count is a tool for evaluation once you have found the fit. Okay.
Okay.
When you open
Okay.
when you open at the 2 level, so you are opening with a 6 card suit. Okay. The perception
Okay.
when you open with a 6 card suit is that you have an 8 card fit. Okay. Rarely you don't have an 8 card fit, but there is a presumption. So there it is valid to evaluate your hand by LTC. Here it
Okay.
is not valid. When you open,
Okay.
you don't know where the fit is going to be. If you find a
Okay.
fit, okay, it's different.
Okay.
sir, 1 diamond, 1 spade.
Ah,
Now East can double. That will be better because of interest in both the remaining suit.
not both remaining. No, if you say 1 diamond, 1 spade, you don't have clubs.
Yeah, interest in
Okay.
heart. Interest in
No,
heart.
it shows interest in heart, but you could still wait and come in later. Partner will know you have a good hand to get in, but you had some defect in the hand, right? Okay. Can I move on?
I have a question. This is Pradeep Goenka here.
Okay.
I play standard, so why should I open 1 club and not 1 diamond? I opened 1 diamond, though we play
So,
standard.
what were you planning to rebid?
1 no trump only.
So what's wrong with opening 1 club then?
Because
the
one
same-
club denies 4-carded diamond.
Why? Why is that? So if you open 1 club, partner bids 1 diamond, you can find the fit. Okay. So otherwise you don't find the fit. There is no real advantage in opening 1 diamond.
So with
So
the
there are chances of missing the club fit, but no, there are no chances of missing the diamond fit. If you
So
open
with
1
the-
diamond, you can, with 4-4, I recommend that you open 1 club. Even with 3-3, you open 1 club.
Okay. And in this hand, I opened 1 diamond, my partner passed. The opponent came up with 1 heart. Now
Okay.
my double,
Ah.
I mean, though I had a bare minimum point, but because we were NV, I just doubled. Normally the double.
You have to have much more to double.
Huh?
You have to have at least another 3 points to double.
I had a minimum, so though
Well,
I had,
partner has already said that partner does not have much. And
Correct.
it is risky for you to get in.
Right.
Luckily, you have an escape in the spade suit. But
right,
many times you may not have an escape.
right.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Can I move on to the next board, please?
Next board is.
Yeah, number 4. Okay. On this hand, west is the dealer, west has nothing to say. North opens 1 heart. So what is the best stand west bid by the east hand? Yeah. What is east looking at? East is looking at getting to 3 no trump if it's possible. Because east has got 8 tricks. So the best way to say that is by bidding 3 yards. Which is partner please bid 3 no trump with the heart stopper. I have the tricks. Okay. But in what I found in last of tables was this hand bid 2 diamonds. Okay. And the south hand bid 4 hearts naturally. And After 4 heart, each thought they were compelled to make another bid. Okay, and which had to be at higher level, they bid 5 diamonds. One table it got double, some tables they got away because north south they did not double. Okay, so if you have a choice of a bid which brings out your hand in full in one go, you should choose that. I saw this at only one table where 3 heart was bid. Okay, and there were tables where they reached up to 6 diamonds, still not so did not double. I was really surprised because 6 diamond goes for 800. And
what should be the rationale to double that? Because I am voided diamond. and
your
I have got a
voided
long
diamond
heart.
partner has made an opening bid. Normally, an opening bid will give 2 tricks in defense.
Yes.
And you have a potential of at least 1 trick, if not the second trick. Correct?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Anyone has questions on this or?
Yeah, Kista.
Reading was
Kista, the same Jaishankar here.
One,
I think
one
last week
percentage.
also you had the same hand. You showed example of 1 heart, 3 heart, or 1 spade, 3 spade equal, and showing a complete
Correct.
one shot, right?
Yeah.
Now the doubt we had is if opponent has bid heart and you don't have a stopper, then you show the suit where you have a stopper, right? So you bid 3 spade in this case, right?
No, you're not concerned about the spade stopper because they may not be able to cash spade. But whereas the hearts, you know for sure.
No, what should be West's bid on my 3 heart?
West should bid 4 club because West doesn't know whether it is solid club suit or solid diamond suit.
Okay, okay, fine. So, and then you correct to 4 diamond. Okay.
Yeah.
And what
See,
about if
it's possible like if you have ace 5 card a spade, 4 spade is a playable contract here, right?
so West should bid that only if they have a stopper in some suit.
Correct, because there is a specific question. No, the specific question is that do you have a heart stopper? Okay.
Okay, so suppose so whatever suit you have a stopper, you bid. If you have a stopper,
No,
you
no,
bid
no. It's not that you can bid all the stoppers. The question
No,
is
no,
very
no.
specific.
No, no. So what, if you have at even 1 stopper, you bid 4 clubs is what you're saying.
no, you
No, no,
have
you have a stopper, you bid 3 note wrong. Like
Oh.
you have ace of hearts instead of ace of spade, you bid 3 note wrong. Okay, then you will have 9 tricks on top, right?
yeah. You have a 8 tricks hand.
You have 8 tricks plus if the like just
No.
if the ace of hearts to ace of
On a
hearts,
heart,
you got
heart
9
lead,
tricks.
we are down. On a heart lead, we are down.
No, I'm just talking about the situation where instead of ace of spade, West has the ace of hearts.
Okay, okay.
Then you have 9 tricks, right?
Correct, correct.
Kista, what happens if I bid 4 heart over 3 heart? Now what is the options available to West? I am not going to
West
check
has no option. Both are vulnerable here. Okay, there are only 8 tricks and 9 tricks. Okay, but if West knows that there are 9 tricks already, 8 plus ace of spade. So we know whichever minor partner has got is going to be beneficial and should try to bid 5 club. So pass are correct. Okay.
Another
So-
question: who should double in this after 6 diamond? Who should double?
I think South
And-
double, and North can also double ahead of that if North has a chance to double first. Okay, North is not so sure about the tricks, but South knows if North produces 1 trick outside of hearts, and the King of Club is going to.
Yeah.
His intention was to get to 3 note wrong, so he does not have a very big hand back to push to 5 diamonds or 6 diamonds.
Okay.
I
Six
have
diamond
a
is a bad
question.
bid.
Yeah, one.
5 diamond pass is a forcing pass or
No, it is not a forcing pass in this situation. It depends on what South has bid first. But South would probably have bid 4 hearts first. Okay, which is based on distribution.
after 4 hearts, the East bid 5 diamonds. Then the pass by South is what?
Pass by South is, nothing committal. Because you had to bid 4 hearts, you may not have had the King of Club. So, okay. So that is why if you had double, you would have had 2 chances to show your hand that you do have a good hand. But if you have bid 4 hearts and not allowed for the one more round of bidding, okay, you are going to put partner in the dark. Look at the bidding here. Okay, 3 heart you double first. Your 4 heart is not going anywhere. You can still bid 4 hearts. You know for sure you're going to be bidding 4 hearts with this hand. And you know for sure they're not going to be bidding 3 note round, right? So you try to gain space for your side by keeping the bidding low.
Even 6 diamond double will be the best result.
High, but 6 diamond is
Yeah.
very high for people to get in at this vulnerable.
Both
Okay.
vulnerable.
Ajay,
Somebody is saying I did not open. I don't know whether it is this hand or some other hand.
okay.
I
No,
think
but
it is some previous message.
in our table, the bidding went like one heart. Opponent came up with 2 diamond. I bid 3 diamond as a good raise in heart.
Okay.
Partner bid 3 heart. Opponent went 4 diamond. I went 4 heart. Pass. Then they went again to 5 diamond. Now this pass is a forcing pass, or should
Yeah,
I
this
double?
pass is a forcing pass, certainly. So, and South would have bid 5 hearts on this.
No, South passed 5 diamond.
No, who bid 5 diamond?
East.
East bid 5 diamond. Okay, but if at all anybody acts, South should act. Because South is looking at the diamond void, South is looking at the 5 card heart. So that is why South is guilty that South has already made a Q bid of 3 diamond.
Yes.
Okay, because he does not have the hand for that, really speaking.
Okay.
So now you are unable to make a 5-level decision yourself. But had you made a bid like 3 yards or a mixed raise bid, okay, where you have shown your values, okay, so you may be able to bid 5 yards later without risk.
After 2 diamond, what is my bid?
But at every turn, you need to be able to, 2 diamond, I think the correct bid is 4 yards. So 4
Okay.
yards says that, okay, I have cards for making 4 yards possibly.
Okay. Okay.
I have a question here.
Because you are both vulnerable, right?
Yes.
5
yeah.
diamond double is a good sacrifice by East.
Yeah, it is, because at this vulnerability, 5 diamond double is only 500. Okay, whereas North South will make 650, right?
Yeah, but we made that sacrifice, but we got.
Because a lot of tables had gone to 6 diamonds.
Okay.
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 So don't worry about that,
Thank
because you want to know how to get to the right spot. That's all.
Right.
Okay, let's now move on to board 4. So,
Board 5.
Board 5, I'm sorry. Okay, board 5. Here, North is the dealer, North opens. It does not look a great hand, but you should open, because for opening, you just look at the high card points, don't look at the losers. I think Chakravarti asked this earlier, so I can answer with this example. So opening 1 diamond is okay with the North hand, and East has no bid. South bids 1 heart. Plus North bids 1 spade. Now, how does South express this hand to North? Okay, see, this hand can play good if there is a fit, but it may not play very well, and you don't want to be in game if there is no fit. Okay, to do that, I actually recommend playing this XYZ system. XYZ system is nothing but, though it sounds like a big name, but it's a simple system in the sense you think the partner has opened a weak note round and you are playing a 2-way Stayman hand. Okay, with the advantage of having exchanged information so far, like 1 diamond by North, 1 heart, and 1 spade. Okay, so now you treat North hand as a weak note trump opening, and then bid accordingly. So you bid 2 club with all hands that are game invitation, and bid 2 diamond with all hands that are game forcing. Okay, that way you can express your strength for partner. And 2 club is forcing, and the mechanism here is for partner to bid 2 diamond on 2 club, compulsory. Okay, when 2 diamond is bid, now you try to bid. So why should you bid 2 hearts? You may ask, why should I not bid 3 club? So hearts is the nearest possible game that is possible. That is, if partner has heart fit, you're going, but partner has club fit, still you may not make game because it is going to be at the 5 level. So it's best to bid 2 hearts after to show that, and partner will have, having support will bid 3 hearts, and you get to 4 hearts. and that is a good way of reaching the contract of 4 hearts.
4 heart goes down at our table.
That must have been a misplay in hearts or something else. 4 hearts should not be going down. No, the club finesse is in. So there's only 1 diamond, 1 heart, and 1 spade loser. Okay. It depends on what defense you got. But any which way 4 hearts should be making. You have the spots also of 9, 8 of hearts, ace 10, 7, 6, everything.
No. Club queen was led. I played the king, ace.
You mean club queen was led or club was led?
Club queen.
No. Hearts were removed.
No. What was the opening lead? Ace of diamond? Or?
Ace of diamond, yes.
Okay.
Ace of diamond I had led. And
spade.
Spade. Okay. You might have played small, right?
From the dummy.
Yeah, king.
We were east-west.
Yeah. So you got 3 spade tricks here. Okay. If you had played hearts correctly, and on the 2 spades you discarded 2 clubs, you just need the club finessing. Okay.
No, there was misplayed by north-south.
Yeah, it might have been misplayed, but otherwise this contract was making if you play the suits correctly. Yeah. So only suit that has some element of play is the heart suit. Okay.
Played ace of heart to the low queen of heart.
Then you would have got it right. There's no way you could have gone wrong. Because the 9 of heart is also providing you an entry. Right? So if people are not playing this XYZ convention, try to find out you should play the XYZ convention and then try to incorporate that in your...
what is the check back convention? Similar to that XYZ?
Yeah, it is similar to XYZ, but the check back convention is only like...
one heart, one note.
Like a new minor forcing, they call it. 1 diamond, 1 heart, 1 note, 2 club will be a forcing bait. But why this XYZ is superior to check back system is check back system can take you to the 3 level, whereas this XYZ system you can stay at the 2 level. Okay, most of the times when you don't have enough strength to go to the 3 level, so going to the 3 level you will have losing options in the play.
Okay, right.
Just only one more time.
I just have a question.
One person, please.
Recap. Can you just recap that XYZ sequence in the deal? Just previous deal, just once.
Yeah, your responder bets 2 clubs at the second turn. Okay. And the purpose of 2 club is 2 ways. One is to play in 2 diamonds if you have a weekend. Okay. Second is to play to show an invitational hand.
Okay.
So on 2 club, there is no choice for opener. Opener has to bet 2 diamonds. Okay. And then it is responder's turn. Responder will decide whether to pass 2 diamond with a diamond suit or bid a new suit which shows invitational values. Okay. So opener has an idea of responder's strength as well as the suit. Yeah. Who is wanting to speak?
Yeah, hello, I'm Maya. I just had a question. Instead of bidding 1 NT, North could have bid 1 spade also, right? Why not show the 4 card spade?
This applies on both. This XYZ applies on both. That is why it is called Z. It is not X, Y is not Trump. It is XYZ.
Okay. Thank you.
So, Kissa, we've given up, this is Suraj, we've given up new minor forcing. Or planning to give up new minor forcing for XYZ.
Okay.
Is that, so you're recommending that is the tack to go? Is it?
That is the way to go, yes. If you have any difficulty, ask me, I will tell you.
Okay, done.
Okay.
I could not make 4 hearts in this hand, though we bid 4 hearts.
You must have handled the trump suit wrong. Because there is nothing else you could have handled wrong.
Ace of diamond was led. Then a spade was led.
Okay.
2 tricks were down.
Mm-hmm.
Then they led back a diamond. I roughed it. Took the ace of hearts. Played back a heart. So a heart.
Did he catch the jack of spade before or no?
Pardon?
Did he catch the jack of spade before playing the second heart?
No.
No.
That was the reason.
That's a mistake, right?
That was the reason.
Okay.
See, you have to see all blocking situations. You know, and if necessary, you have to unblock early.
Okay.
Okay. So it's not enough to count the top tricks, but you also can see that there is no further entry to the table, right? Okay. Let me go on to board 6. Board 6, east is the dealer, and east and south both pass, and west opens 1 diamond. And north does not have much of an antebed, so north passes, and east responds 1 heart. So even though you have bad suit, you should still be responding 1 heart. You should not be bypassing that. And south passes again, and west bids 2 hearts. Now north wants to compete. Here east west are vulnerable, and north south are not vulnerable. If they can find a fit in one of the unbid suits, you know, they should be able to push east west or be able to make 2 spade or 3 club. So north doubles 2 hearts and south bids 2 spade. And there is no, neither east nor west have anything extra to go to the 3 level because they both of them have got flat hands. 2 spade should be the final contract. And in 2 spade, okay, the west should know that they may be playing on a 4-3 fit, and it's best that west starts with a trump, trying to, you know, limit the number of roughs in. If west does not start with a trump, if west starts with the ace of hearts, so it's quite possible that they sell 2 spade to north south. Because north has got, there are 4 spade tricks on top, ace king of diamond, and if there are 2 roughs that are taken in the south end, then 2 spade will make. Any questions on this? Does anyone have questions?
Yeah, I have a question. I overcalled with 4-carded spade.
That is not a recommended thing because that may take you overboard later. You know, partner will expect much more than what you have, no? See, it is important in bidding to meet partner's expectation. Okay. Like if you are your own partner, would you accept this bid? You ask that question before making that bid. Okay. Now going to board 7. In this board 7, south opens 1 trump. North has an invitational land. Okay. So north has an invitational land, but there is no major. Okay. There are some people who played 2 club followed by 2 trump, so no major. But that can get you to trouble on this hand when south has to rebid 3 spade or 2 trump. So better way is to play 2 spade as a range asking bid and inviting opener saying, if you are a higher range, I am prepared to go to 3 trump. Otherwise, let's play 2 trump. Okay. So here, the bidding that is shown is 1 trump, 2 spade, 3 club. The 3 club says south has got higher range, and you know, this 2 spade is used for other purposes other than range asking. Okay. And on this hand, north's intent was to find out the range, and north knows that south has got a better range, and north settles for 3 trump. Okay, it's going to be very difficult for west to find a club lead on this. Okay, because if you had bid 2 club, possibly west east could have doubled, and they could have got, you know, you can't be in 3 trump after that. But on this action, it's odds on that north south will make 3 trump.
How do you play the transfer then?
We play minor transfer also.
Okay.
On 1 trump.
See, minor transfer.
2 spade is for 3 clubs.
Opposite of 15-17 trump.
Yeah.
This minor transfer for invitational land is not a good method.
Yeah. So what we
so if you use it as a general invitation, so you need to know whether opener has got a maximum or minimum only whenever you have invitation. Okay, it is not necessary to know about a specific suit. A lot of people I know play 4 suit transfers. So it is not a good system in my mind. Okay.
And Kissa, you said 2 spade is a range asking. So what would be the responses for a 2
spade? 2 trump will be minimum range, 3 club will be maximum range. That's about all.
Okay, 2 trump is minimum, 3 club.
Yeah, you can pack other meanings to 2 spade. because opener is going to bid anyway. Okay, you can use some people use two spade as range asking come minor suit statement kind of thing. Okay, so that means if they bid a minor, that means they are in the upper range with 4 cards in the minor.
Oh, okay. So 3 diamond would mean upper range. With
but
4
not
cards.
that you are given here, so given the south end, with the upper range, they know they can bid 3 note trump. So they would bid 3 note trump on the south end because they don't have a minor.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, that's how the minor suit statement works.
Kista, what is 1 note trump, 2 note trumps in this then?
1 note trump, 2 note trump, the expert partnerships play it as kind of for different purpose. They play it as puppet statement, they play it as, transfer to sign off in a minor or so on. Okay.
Okay. So it will be a pass or correct.
Because it is better to play a bid which you can open up, keep it forcing, and then you can use it for multiple meanings. That's a good way to play. So here 2 spade can have multiple meanings, and it's only between the partnership to understand the multiple meanings. What are the hands that are not covered by other bids? That is what you have to see.
Do you mean like 4-4-4-1 hands and things like that?
4-4-4-1, you may have a stamen option. Okay. So you can, because you may not be able to find the major suit once you bid 2 spade. Okay. But predominantly minor hands like 5-4 minors and such hands also can be, you can go away at 2 spade.
Okay.
So let me go on to the last board here. So here North opens 1 spade and South bids 2 hearts. Okay, so North should be okay to bid 3 club with this hand, although it is a 4 color. But I saw some people rebidding 2 note trump on this, and that I think is not correct because you could very well miss a club suit fit. And here the difficulty for North South is both have got 16 points, and it may not come out in the auction easily. That the extra that North or South has may not come out. It's possible that South can express it because of the long heart suit and the strong heart suit. Okay, even then 1 spade, 2 heart, 3 club. So 4 hearts will be a bid where North will not be encouraged to bid. So you have to bid 3 hearts, which is more encouraging than 4 hearts possibly. And then here North should find a bid of 4 diamond to say that, okay, I've discovered something, I've got some support for you and some extra values. So it's important to know that your queen of heart is as good as a queen doubleton heart. Okay. So whether it is queen or queen doubleton, it doesn't make much of a difference when partner has rebid this suit. Okay. So you should go the extra mile to show that 4 diamond an unusual bid as that, okay, so I have something more on the auction so far. Okay. So that way, South will get the message and South will be able to, take control and bid the slam.
Just a quick question.
Yeah.
I did bid the 4 diamonds for the same reason.
For the same auction or some other auction?
Exactly same auction.
Okay.
But the only thing is that I ended in, I bid 6 no trumps with my hand.
Were you north or were you south?
I was north.
North. So when you know partner has a 6 card suit or 7 card suit, okay, you know partner is a distributional land. Partner may have a singleton somewhere. Okay. And on this hand, you would have made 6 no trump or even 7 no trump for that matter.
Made 7, yes.
Okay. But I would say you got lucky because you found partner with the diamond king. Okay, you may not, partner may not have the diamond king for bidding this way, right?
Correct.
Okay, on that case, you get a diamond lead, you are under pressure to find the club queen. And let's say you didn't have the club 10, again you are under pressure. Whereas 6 hearts may be an easy contract because you can just give up an open spade and then make 6 hearts.
Correct, yes, yes.
Okay, so you don't have as much information, right? So you should not be converting to 6 no trump. So it's possible that South pitch 6 no trump. South can picture the number of cards. South knows your number of aces. South knows that the king of diamond is working. But what South may not know is that whether you have one king or two kings.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Actually, I apologize. Our bidding went slightly differently in the sense that on 4 diamonds, 4 spades came.
Ah.
I bid the 4 no trumps from my hand.
4 diamond, 4 spade is not a good bid. I don't know what 4 spade meant, really.
Okay.
Was partner trying to tell you, okay, can we play a 5-2 fit? I don't think so.
I'm not sure.
That's what the partner did not get the message of 4 diamond right, I think. The partner did not think that there was hard support. Okay.
No, I think he was queuing to show a better hand.
Where is the cue? 4 spade is not a cue, right?
Yeah,
You could have bid 5 club, but then 5 club would have meant support for your suit. So that's where he has the difficulty. But yes, heart suit good enough to, and he has got extras to bid for no trump. He knows clearly that your side has to play in hearts, right?
Yes, correct. Yes.
Okay. Person who has more information should be able to act rather than pass on the decision to someone who does not have the information. The auction.
Is that if we are playing cues, then over 3 heart, would 4 club be the right cue bid or 4?
But that could be in this case. It could partner could think that you have 5-5 if you are rebid 3 clubs.
Oh, okay, because I bid clubs earlier.
Yeah, that's right. But definitely a bid of 4 diamond will be an unusual bid.
Okay.
Okay, so that will ring a bell telling partner, okay, so why should he bid 4 diamond when he can bid only 3 no trump, right?
Correct.
There's no guarantee of a diamond fit, and it's not a diamond fit partner is looking for.
Kista, I bid 4 heart, and because after 2 heart, 3 club, 4 heart, partner knows 7 card or heart or there, so he took the lead. Was it right, or it should not be bid like that?
Partner does not have the right to think that you have so much. Let's say you remove the ace of clubs from your hand. Would you not have bid 4 hearts? I think you would have bid 4 hearts. It's more appropriate to bid 4 hearts on that hand. Just take away the ace of club. You have enough strength opposite an opening hand and you want to play in 4 hearts.
So I seal the contract. Okay.
Yeah, so if partner bids further, so I don't think you are going to be in the safe zone.
I should bid 3 heart.
Yeah, because that's the advantage in 2/1 game forcing. Like you can bid slowly, not spend all the space that you have by jumping around.
Okay.
Okay. Are there any more questions? Shall I close?
Yeah, Kista, I have a question. On 2 hearts, bid of 2 no trumps signifies 2 carders support and minimum hand, or is there some other meaning?
May I know who's speaking, please?
Pradeep Mohta.
Okay. So 2 no trump is normally the best rebid for North. It could be on 5-4-2-2 sometime if you feel that the minor suit is a weak suit. And if you have a minimum man, you should try to rebid 2 no trump rather than bid 3 club. Okay, unless there is some other defect like you don't have stopper in the 4th suit or something like that. Okay, you should. Some people actually play, if there's an awkward rebid, they rebid the 5 card major. But that is not my recommendation. Try as much as possible to avoid that, because there is no way partner can know whether you have a 6 card major or you are rebidding the 5 card. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Good day. Good day.
Yeah, have a good. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You can join my program anytime to improve your game. Register at www.bridgewithkista.com. If you like this video, please subscribe below and share.